Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering up and pairing. Put the glasses on and open the Live Translate app on your phone. You grant microphone and Bluetooth access so audio routes to the glasses. Select the language you hear and the language you want delivered. Set detection sensitivity to avoid false triggers. Once done, initiate pairing mode on the glasses, tap Connect, and confirm the device name. This immediate pairing ensures low latency translation and a stable audio stream while you begin speaking. Now run a quick test. Have someone speak while you watch the captions or hear audio through the glasses. If words drop, move the mic closer and enable noise suppression. These reduce background interference. Switch between continuous and push-to-talk modes depending on crowd noise. Continuous is smooth for one-on-one. Push-to-talk avoids overlap in groups. Adjust playback volume and subtitle size inside the app to balance clarity with comfort. Make sure latency stays below 1 second. Tweak sensitivity if it lacks. To finish, save your language pairs and sensitivity as a preset so you can resume instantly next time. Export the transcript or sync with the cloud if you need a record of the conversation. If you hit problems, no audio, garbled output, or dropped connection, first reboot the glasses and phone, repair via Bluetooth, and confirm app microphone permissions. If issues persist, reduce other Bluetooth connections and retest in a quieter environment. Doing this clears most connectivity or noise-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.